Hello and welcome to Paula Armstrong Ceramics. I thought I would do a quick introduction, particularly for the online membership. So I'm Paula, I'm a ceramic artist and I work mainly in hand building techniques and I create ceramic sculptures. I am doing the online membership because with the pandemic, a lot of people started taking up new hobbies and they had to do them at home. And online became a great place to start learning some things that weren't traditionally things that you learnt online, like ceramics. And I love the idea of getting as many people as possible to fall in love with clay the same way I have all my life. I've always loved clay. And I passionately believe in the benefits of creative activities, not just clay, any creative activities, but I love clay. So for me, I focus on that, on the clay. But I really do believe in the benefits that we can get from being creative for our well-being and our health, and just the joy that it can bring to make something with your own two hands. And so this online membership is something that I've set up to try and reach more people and encourage more people to feel confident and to find their creative voice and be able to experiment with clay and make what they want to make with clay and just go on their journey, on their making journey, and just be there to answer questions, help out when I can, just be a sounding board when you need somebody to bounce ideas off of, to create a community of people that are all clay geeks like me, and that love everything to do with clay, so that you've always got somebody to talk to about what you're making and how it's going, whether it's a good day or a bad day, that understand where you're coming from. And that can use the same language and just love the same things that you do, and understand when you're having a really good day because you've opened that kiln and it looks amazing and you love everything that's come out, or when it's really disappointing because something's just gone bleh when you were really hoping it was going to be lovely. So that's the idea behind the online membership, is to have a community, to have a resource with videos that will be techniques, but also question and answers, things to help set up a home studio, around firing, around buying kilns. I will as well start looking at putting in things like taking photos of your work, that side of things as well. And maybe a little bit around marketing, and I'm also hoping for things that I haven't covered and I don't know so much. I'm going to bring in other people to help build and add on to that knowledge, so that I have other experts coming in to share their knowledge with the group. So that's the idea of the online membership. It would be really lovely if you could join us, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye.